Olucingo luvala umda woMzantsi Afrika neZimbabwe alikho mgangathweni kwaye lixabise imali ephinda-phindane kathathu kunangesiqhelo. I-SIU ithi kophulwe nemithetho eliqela ngexesha kukhutshwa isiniki maxabiso. Ingqonyela yesebe uSemvukela kwaye nomcebisi kamphathiswa uPatricia de Lille, uMelissa Whitehead bamangalelwe emapoliseni.
We have referred 4 criminal matters to NPA, 2 service providers and 2 officials of the department. And we will be working in conjunction with our colleagues in the NPA to ensure that prosecution follows.
Imali engange-21 million zerandi esele ihlawulwe inkampani iMagwa Construction kwaye neProf Team iza kuthinjwa.
As part of the civil litigation process, we will present all that to the special tribunal so that we then motivate legally our case of ensuring that we recover the monies appropriately.
Uvukela kwaye noWhitehead kwaye namanye amagosa ali-11 aza kujongana nekomiti yoluleko.
They have until next week, Tuesday, to make representations before the disciplinary process commences further. So all of them have been charged.
Umbutho we-DA ufuna umongameli amgxothe umphathiswa uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula.
It is an indication of the unsuitability of this minister to hold this position. And I would really request that we as a committee include in our report recommendations on this aspect.
I am waiting for that opportunity when which will be presented to me to answer questions, be it from Parliament or even the Public Protector.
Umphathiswa weenkonzo zikarhulumente uthi i-SIU iza kuyiphanda indima ayidlalileyo kule nyewe yolucingo.
The directive issued by the minister will also be investigated by the SIU in terms of the proclamation from the president.
We are dealing with a border fence which is not fit for purpose and in our view was wasteful and fruitless expenditure.
UDilile udlulise wathi ezi nkampani zibandanyekayo azizokuhlawulwa ukubheka phambili. Xolelani Philip, SABC News eParlamente.